In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms personnels sujet, but more precisely, we will see on. So, what are les pronoms personnels sujet? Subject pronouns in French are used to replace and represent the subject of a sentence. They vary based on the person, number, singular or plural, and sometimes gender, masculine or feminine. So, this lesson is about on. And the subject pronoun on can be translated into various ways in English, such as one, people, or we, depending on the context. So we will see some examples with on. On pense qu'il va pleuvoir demain. On pense qu'il va pleuvoir demain. On dit toujours la vérité ici. On dit toujours la vérité ici. On va au cinéma ce soir. On va au cinéma ce soir. On aime cette chanson. On aime cette chanson.